Unquestionably, Jeep has established a reputation as an off-roader-friendly car brand. It is not surprising that many drivers would immediately link Jeep with the best off-road automobiles, both in the recent past and the present. The Wrangler has been establishing its dominance among Jeep's exclusively off-road vehicles. It's interesting to think that Toyota's upcoming electric FJ Cruiser model could threaten Wrangler's hegemony in the off-road market. However, the Wrangler seems unbeatable despite the efforts and sometimes even success of rival vehicles. In light of the Ford Bronco's current ranking as one of the best SUVs available, other manufacturers are challenging Jeep. Unexpectedly, according to data from the brands, it came close to outselling the Wrangler in the first quarter of 2023 by a few thousand units. Toyota is attempting to captivate enthusiasts with the 4Runner, but so far, the SUV's sales have lagged significantly. Furthermore, the 4Runner is at best an off-road capable vehicle, whereas the Wrangler is an SUV that is focused on off-road driving. Although Toyota discontinued it, the FJ Cruiser might have been a good match. Fortunately, Toyota might once more enter the fray with the compact cruiser EV. Jeep's dominance in the off-road market is demonstrated by many vehicles, including the Wrangler. Thanks to its ability to withstand the rigors of off-road driving and maintain traction even in difficult conditions, this nameplate alone has amassed millions of fans and customers. The Wrangler undoubtedly raises the bar for off-road ability. In essence, Jeep is an enterprise that concentrates on off-road vehicles. As a result, it is not surprising to see Jeep vehicles capable of optimizing driving on various surfaces and overcoming off-road obstacles over rough terrain. Drivers and customers readily believe in the capabilities of Jeep's products due to its history of success on off-road terrain. The brand has established a reputation as a producer of dependable off-road vehicles thanks to the sheer toughness and off-road capabilities of most of its off-road models. Jeep, an expert in off-road driving, has given its vehicles a strong ability to navigate rough terrain. Jeep's 4x4 systems, solid axles, robust suspensions, and high ground clearance allowed for these. These have allowed Jeep to amass a devoted following of enthusiasts over the years. The FJ Cruiser was one of Toyota's more capable off-road vehicles. Sadly, the Japanese automaker stopped making and selling the FJ Cruiser starting with the 2014 model year. After the 2021 model year, Toyota also stopped selling the Land Cruiser. As a result of these events, the automaker began searching diligently for a new off-road vehicle that could compete with American mainstays like the Jeep Wrangler. It is not surprising that the 1E generation FJ Cruiser has a devoted following among off-road enthusiasts due to its capabilities and unique appeal. Even though those FJ Cruisers were 2014 models that official distributors had modified into special editions, sales of the vehicle continued outside of the United States. It's possible that the FJ Cruiser won't entirely return as a second-generation model, but it appears that Toyota intends to bring its spirit and capabilities back. Furthermore, a stunning concept car that closely resembles the off-road SUV provides clear indications that the next generation of the FJ Cruiser will be an electric vehicle. You are probably already aware of Toyota's future electric vehicle EV plans, which include the production of 16 new EVs in the near future. 30 EVs in total, including this intriguing concept that resembles an electric FJ Cruiser, will be available from Toyota including Lexus by the year 2030. This new off-road, which goes by the name Compact Cruiser EV, might aid Toyota in regaining not only its foothold in the off-road market, but also moving forward in the EV sector. The Toyota Compact Cruiser EV appears to have been influenced by the FJ Cruiser, which in turn was influenced by the FJ, Land Cruiser generations. However, judging by the name of this concept, the Compact Cruiser EV will unquestionably be much smaller than the FJ Cruiser that we are all familiar with. Although the Toyota Compact Cruiser EV's dimensions are unknown, it is safe to assume they are comparable to those of the Ford Bronco Sport small crossover SUV. Additionally, it is unknown whether it will be an electrified body-on-frame chassis, like the TNGA-K found in the new Lexus LX and Tundra, or unibody design based on the ETNGA platform, like the Toyota BZ4X. Whatever the case, the electric crossover SUV from Toyota is intriguing, to say the least. The grille is closed, as is to be expected, and the boxy fascia's front end receives two LED headlights. It has a purposeful appearance that is shared by other off-road vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco thanks to its wide fender flares, black bumpers, and black door handles. The compact Cruiser EV has real rear doors, as opposed to the Toyota FJ Cruiser's rear suicide doors, which should make this electric off-roader much more useful for daily use. Although Toyota didn't provide interior photos for the compact Cruiser EV, their press conference gave us a hint as to what it might look like. Two digital screens are included, and the interior has a utilitarian but functional appearance. From the information provided so far, that is essentially what we can infer. Toyota first unveiled the FT4X, a small off-road vehicle, back in 2017. This concept crossover SUV is not a dedicated DV because it is built on the same TNGA-C platform as the CHR and the Corolla Cross. Despite having a similar appearance to the FT4X, the compact Cruiser EV is unrelated to it in any way. There isn't much information available about the upcoming Toyota compact Cruiser EV, which could conceivably replace the FJ Cruiser. But even though it is currently just a concept, it might eventually become a functional off-road SUV. Toyota already has a platform specifically designed for BEVs and related 4x4 technology. Even so, the company might decide to hold off until the next generation solid-state battery for the compact Cruiser EV is available before introducing it for the 2024 model year. The Wrangler 4xe is however not where Jeep ends. An extremely capable electric off-road SUV will soon be released by the brand. Jeep is actually testing, exploring, and pushing the limits of 4x4 electrification on the Wrangler Magneto 3.0 concept as its test bed. The production version of the compact cruiser might not be able to defeat the Wrangler or any other electric off-roader due to its lack of 4x4 and BEV technology. But Toyota can count on people's fond memories and nostalgia for the FJ Cruiser. The off-roader was able to attract devoted followers and enthusiasts thanks to both its off-road prowess and its retro styling that pays homage to the vintage FJ40 Land Cruiser. Toyota can compete with the Wrangler by capitalizing on the strong sense of nostalgia for the already iconic FJ Cruiser and vintage Land Cruisers. It is entirely up to Toyota to determine how it will benefit from this nostalgia. What do you think of the compact Cruiser EV? Is Toyota making the right bet? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.